Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade investment analysis with Yahoo Finance, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Yahoo Finance in your preferred web browser. In the search bar, enter the ticker symbol or name of the company you want to analyze. Click on the company's name to access its profile page. Review the overview section for a snapshot of the company's market data. Navigate to the Financials tab to explore income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Select the period you want to review, such as quarterly or annually. Analyze the revenue trends and total expenses to assess profitability. Go to the Statistics tab for key ratios like PE, debt to equity, and current ratio. Compare these ratios with industry averages to gauge relative performance. Next, click on the Analysis tab for analysts' estimates on earnings and revenue growth. Evaluate the consensus rating and target price for additional insights. Visit the Charts section to visualize price trends and performance against indices. Use different time frames to observe short-term and long-term trends. In the News tab, read the latest articles for context on market conditions impacting the stock. Look for any recent press releases that may influence your analysis. Utilize the My Portfolio feature to create a watch list of your selected stocks. Track daily changes in price, volume, and market cap with your portfolio overview. Integrate Yahoo Finance's tools for creating custom charts and technical indicators. Stay updated on earnings dates and significant events using the calendar feature. Leverage the educational resources and articles available to enhance your investment knowledge. Constantly revisit the platform to refine your analysis based on new data and market shifts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.